Hey guys, my name is Kenny. I'm going to show you guys how you can go from straight hair like this to curly hair like this. If you do this right, it'll work for every single one of you. So before starting, these are the items you need. First, you're going to need a blow dryer, and this is going to help set your hair in the direction that you want. Next, you need to get a curling wand, and you're going to want one with a thinner barrel like this. You can also use a flat iron, but that's going to be a different process. Next, you're going to want a good hair cream with a light hold. I recommend the Forte Series styling cream. And the last thing you need is some hairspray to help hold it in place. I also recommend this one from Forte. So once you have all that, you need to make sure that your hair is long enough. It really depends on how long you want your hair, but I recommend to get it to at least 3 inches. If you want more curls, you're going to have to grow it longer. Alright, now we're going to get right into curling the hair. We're going to start by wetting your hair. What you need to do is blow dry it in the direction that you want your hair to sit. If you want your hair like mine, which is more of like a Tom Holland hairstyle, then you're going to want to blow dry it to the back. If you want curls that fall to the front, you're going to have to blow dry it to the front. To give it a little bit of volume, I recommended blow drying it to the back and then blow drying it to the front. Now we're going to move on to the curling wand, but you need to make sure your hair is dry before you even use it. If it's wet or damp, you're going to damage your hair. So once you made sure your hair is dry, you're going to spray your hair with hairspray. This is going to help the curl stay in place once you use the curling wand. So you're going to start with individual small sections of your hair. So you're going to take the curling wand and you're going to point it at the direction that you want your hair to sit. If you blow dried your hair to the back like my hair, you're going to want to point the wand to the back. For this video, I'm going to show you guys how to curl it to the front. Take a small section and twist and wrap it around the wand. So once you wrap a small section of your hair around the wand, hold it for around 10 seconds. Use the thicker part of the wand if you want looser curls, and use the thinner part if you want tighter curls. After 10 seconds, gently let your hair fall. Let it cool down without touching it. Now keep doing that section by section until everything is done. Once you curl everything, gently scrunch your hair and make small adjustments. Once it looks more or less how you want it, you're going to take some hair cream and apply it to the hair. You can use the scrunch method with the hair cream so you don't move it around too much. If you want, you can also use some hairspray to finish it off. And that is exactly how you can go from straight to curly hair. Again, if you do it right, it should work for every single one of you. Again, my name is Kenny. Like this video if it helped you out, and subscribe for more videos just like this.